Discover the art of pruning, a vital process for the health and growth of your trees. Scissor-type hand pruners are our best tools, perfect for branches up to a ½ inch in diameter. For bigger branches, we have the lopping shears, able to handle up to 2 inches of diameter. In certain cases, we'll resort to the pruning saws sharp enough to navigate through the toughest of branches. Understanding where to cut is our expertise. A thinning cut near the branch collar aids in compartmentalizing decay. A reduction cut is precise, ensuring the remaining branch has the potential to become the terminal branch. Situations call for a heading cut, a technique to restore a tree after a storm, which may result in several water sprouts. For the removal of large limbs strategically, we use a 3-cut process to ensure the bark doesn't tear, preserving the integrity of the tree. Remember, pruning isn't just about cutting. It's about nurturing and encouraging new growth. Prune wisely, grow vibrantly.